Your keypad is designed to provide you one of the most secure and easiest to use security systems on the market. In this video, we will cover how to arm and disarm your alarm system, the differences between home, sleep, away, as well as all and perimeter operation. Next, we will cover how proximity cards and tokens can make the arm and disarm process much quicker. We will also cover important features like instant arming, easy exit, and how the entry and exit delays work. Finally, we will cover the panic buttons and how they can potentially be a real lifesaver. To arm your security system, simply press Command. Choose an arming option by pressing the Select key, and that's it. Your system's arming process has begun, and you may carry on with peace of mind. It's that simple. The Arming Options menu will provide you with options based on how your system was set up. If your system is set up as all perimeter, your burglary protection is divided into two areas, interior and perimeter. When you arm as all, both interior and perimeter are armed. When perimeter is armed, only the exterior doors and windows are secured, allowing for free movement throughout the building. If your system is programmed for home, sleep, away, your burglary protection is divided into either 2 or 3 areas, perimeter, interior, and bedrooms. Home arming means that you are staying inside, but you want to make sure that the exterior of your home, such as doors and windows, are armed. If you arm your system for sleep, all areas are armed except those near bedrooms and nighttime areas, allowing you to move freely to the bathroom or another bedroom. When armed away, all areas are set in your home for maximum security. Once an attempt to arm is made, your system ensures that all doors and windows are closed and ready to be secured. If a door is left open, the system won't arm until that door is closed. If a problem exists that prevents the user from closing a door or window, that zone can be bypassed for the time being. Your keypad will display 3 options in that event: bypass, OK, and stop. Choosing bypass will allow the system to arm by arming all but that zone. Choosing OK will force arm your system, and your system will ignore that faulted zone, but will restore that zone if it is later corrected or closed. Once all bypasses or corrections are made, the system will arm. In order to allow the end user time to exit the premises before the system arms, there is an exit delay timer that counts down. If you exit and then re-enter the building before the timer ends, the timer will restart. Your system can also be programmed to allow for instant arming, which, when activated, will immediately arm your system, bypassing the exit timer. Instant arming also eliminates the entry delay time, so if someone enters a door that normally has an entry delay, like the entrance you most normally use, it will immediately trigger an alarm. Usually you only want to instant arm your system if everyone is home for the night already. The keypad comes loaded with great features right out of the box. The built-in proximity card reader makes arming and disarming a breeze. Simply touch your token to the illuminated logo on your keypad to arm or disarm without having to stop and enter a passcode. Security remotes can also be used to quickly arm and disarm your system without having to be as close to the system. Once you have armed your system with the remote, a red LED 2-second acknowledgement indicates that the system is armed. If only some areas are armed, a red and green LED 2-second acknowledgement indicates that the system is on. When the system has been disarmed, a green LED acknowledgement will be shown. Some of the most important features of the keypad are the easy-to-access panic buttons. In the case of an emergency, simply press and hold the 2 select keys that designate the type of emergency, and hold for 2 seconds until you hear a beep from the keypad. At that point, you can rest assured that the alarm was sent and help is on the way. If you send a fire panic alarm, your keypad will begin to sound a fire alarm tone, alerting others to the danger. Even with all of the incredible functions of the keypad, security is still the most important feature that it has to offer.